you want to take your time to track calories or macronutrients, you want to be as accurate as possible. You can use any apps to track calories, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to track calories with Cronometer. It's an app that I prefer and recommend to all my clients because they are more accurate as their databases are reviewed by nutritionists or dietitians. If this is your first time using the app, just click sign up and they will ask for your personal details and goals. For example, how many kilos of weight drop per week are you aiming for, and give you a suggested calorie target. I'm going to start off by going through the basics of adding food. To do that, you need to log into your Cronometer account once sign up. To add food, click the plus sign at the bottom. You'll see a couple of icons, but the only two icons that you will generally use is the Add Food button and Scan Food button, which are located at the top row. For my breakfast, I'm having 2 eggs with soy sauce, a cup of soy milk, and a piece of sourdough bread. Scan the barcode of the food that you're eating. Check the serving size and the amount to make sure that it's accurately described what you're eating or what you're planning to eat. So for my breakfast, I'm planning to eat 2 eggs. So the serving size 2 eggs, that's correct. So 1 times 2 eggs. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the energy summary. So these 2 eggs will provide 12.7 grams of protein, which is good. Add it to my diary. And I'll then move it to the meal time that I'm planning, which is my breakfast. Then I'll continue to add other ingredients as well. Click the plus button at the bottom. Scan food. I'm scanning the soy sauce. Looks like it's already in database, so just choose the first one. I'll be pouring like 1 teaspoon into my egg so that looks accurate. Okay. So apparently this is not in the database. So they'll ask me to photo the front package and the nutrition label so that they can add it into the database. Yep, so the autofill is successful. So you can, as you can see, after you take the photos, it will auto load all the information. Just click next. And I'm having 1 sachet, so that's okay. So 1 sachet will give me 6 grams of protein. And then I'll add my sourdough bread. Just scan the barcode. Yep. So I'll just say 100 grams for now. What if a food doesn't have a barcode, for example, fresh fruits and vegetables or meat? Instead of hitting scan barcode, you will then hit add food. We're going to look up chicken as an example. So let's say I'm eating herbal chicken tomorrow. As you can see, that there are plenty of chicken choices here, but we want to choose the one that matches the food you are eating or planning to eat. Note that food in raw and cooked weights have different nutritional content. So depending on the type of food you weigh, you then enter accordingly. So for this time, I'll be eating chicken thigh without skin, and it's a cooked weight. So if it doesn't say raw, we will assume it is cooked. Just add it to the diary. Let's say if you're eating out, for example, kway teow noodle soup, and you know that you don't know the exact recipe of the soup because it's made outside, what you could do, you could search for a commercial product that's closest to the food eaten. So what I can do, I just click plus and add food, and let's say it's kway teow is flat noodle soup. Okay, you can see multiple choices here, so I will choose the one that's closest to what I eat. Let's do free range chicken and noodle soup pitango. Okay, it says here fat free, so what I always we'll add is just add some oil. 1 teaspoon of oil. Because most of the food outside are cooked with a lot of oil. And then it doesn't include the flat noodles. I will then separately add flat noodles 1 serving. If you want to go from this to that, here's the recommended display settings you need to adjust. Click More button at the bottom right corner. Then select Display, which is the 5th tab. Make your units in calories to work out calories easily. Go back to Display tab. Toggle on your energy summary, macronutrient breakdown, highlighted targets, and water widget if you want to track water. Next, I will also suggest having the nutrient breakdown for each meal visible, which is one of the key strategies in meeting your daily nutrient goal. Click Diary Settings, and in the middle of the screen, under Show Group Subtotals, click it and choose Macronutrients. And if you go back to your diary, you will get all the information that's needed. So we've got your energy summary on the top, which will let you know how far over or under you are compared to your target. We've got the macronutrient target to track your carbohydrate, protein, fats in a day more efficiently. The highlighted target is to track nutrients you're interested in. For this challenge, dietary fiber is the nutrient that is of interest. And then you can also see the nutrient breakdown for each meal timing. That's it.